Hello everyone, who owns the internet may be $1 million question. But before that, let's understand what is internet. The internet is a vast network of computers and networks which assist us to communicate. If you want to talk to your friends who is miles away, all you do is a WhatsApp call which facilitates communication and strengthens your friendship bond. Want to talk to your long distance boyfriend or girlfriend? All you do is have a voice call. You send snaps and even text them all day. So there are many advantages of internet. Then have you ever wondered who owns the internet? If not, let's discuss it then. Well, no one owns the internet. Yeah, you heard it right. No one in this world owns the internet. No. Don't get surprised by this statement. Who owns the internet was asked at our website, and it's a good question by the way. But the obvious first answer is that no one owns it. But in reality, the ownership of internet is just about control. Each network interconnected to the internet must agree to adhere to certain protocols, standardizing how data is passed machine to machine, domain to domain, and so on. This is what allows any host on one domain, say www.example.com, to communicate with any other host on the domain, say www.another-example.com. And one could say that IANA, the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, is responsible for the IP protocol suite, which defines all that related to the internet's basic operation, i.e. TCP/IP. But IANA has an interesting position in this regard, releasing protocol number blocks assigned special purpose addresses such as multicast address space etc, and maintaining the root zone file that serves as a phone book for the world's top level domains TLDs like .com, .org, .net, .jp, and so on. The internet is a network of networks that connects the computers around the world. Who owns the internet? No one really does it actually. The internet is more of an idea than an actual tangible entity, and it relies on the physical infrastructure that connects networks to other networks. To use the terminology of network engineers, the internet's backbone considers the tier 1 network, large communication companies that exchange traffic directly with each other via peering agreements. Those tier 1 providers make money access to the lower level ISPs and selling access to the content providers and high-speed customers like universities and businesses. The internet is owned by the world community. The backbone and many other critical infrastructures are run by non-profit organizations. This has been essential for the development and proliferation of the internet. So the internet's backbone is the physical infrastructure that consists principally of the fiber optics, routers, and switches. These pieces of the things are owned by the telecommunications companies and other private sectors. The internet is commonly known as a place where people communicate with each other's computers, exchanging information and ideas with one another. This is certainly true, but there is also a physical component to this. That internet acts as a medium by which all communication happens. This physical portion of the internet, the part which produces information to and from your local computer, is comprised of many thousands of miles of telephone wire, fiber optic cables, satellites, and many more. So the conclusion is not a single entity owns the internet. So be vigilant and have your internet freedom. So that's it for today, my friends. If you like the video, then like the video, share the video with your friends, relatives, and colleagues so that they could also get the information. Bye bye.